Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best MIG welders that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in a description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this video. Starting at number 5, we have Kicking Horse F130 Gasless MIG Welder. If you're on the market for a gasless model, this machine's overall design emphasizes the use of flux core wire and eliminates anything that isn't needed. Many gasless models try to imitate a gas-fed design, all the way to the nozzle. Even though no gas is introduced here, they still feature a bulky head. This welder skips that and provides you with a trimmed-down torch that's easier to work with. Furthermore, by cutting out what isn't needed, this welder weighs just 10 pounds. That is way lighter than any other model we've highlighted. It also uses inverter technology, which means it will perform just as well as any other full-size welder in its class. There isn't much to not like about this unit, but it is only a flux core welder. While this is perfectly acceptable for many uses, it does limit its ability to work with thinner materials. Moving on at number 4, we have Super Deal Pro Commercial MIG 130. Many hobbyists can't justify investing in a top-quality welder when teaching themselves the craft. This gasless welder offers respectable performance despite its super low price point. This is a flux core welder, meaning no tanks are needed. The 4-way adjustable amperage settings and adjustable wire speed allow this welder to be used on a range of different metal thicknesses with simple operation. It even works off of a 110-volt supply, making it friendly to home garage settings. Additionally, this welder is compact and portable. Though it's not the lightest unit on our list, its slim design makes up for it. Super Deal includes a protection mask, welding wire, and brushed chipping hammer. This is a great little welder to learn with, but as you could expect, it does fall short in terms of quality and performance. Still, it's hard to beat what this model has to offer at such a low price. At number 3, we have Miller Electric 120/240 SPAC, 1-phase. Professional welders can rely on nothing less than the best quality, performance, and reliability. It really should be no surprise that this is our recommended choice for professionals. This is not a cost-effective welder, but its ability to perform makes it a worthy investment. This welder is capable of welding 18 gauge to 3/8 inch thick aluminum, 24 gauge to 3/8 inch thick mild steel, and 20 gauge to 1/4 inch thick stainless steel. The Auto Select feature makes adjusting the welder to the appropriate metal thickness as simple as possible. The Quick Select Drive Roll, Auto Spool Gun Detect, and Smooth Start features all work to make for a simple startup before any project. Of course, the spool gun is not included, but this is typical of any MIG welder. Fluency of operation and the overall quality come at a significant expense. However, we think any professional can sleep easy knowing they are investing their cash in something they can rely on every day. At number 2, we have Goplus MIG 130 Flux Core Welder. This is another welder for beginners to consider. This gasless MIG is just as affordable to attain as it is to set up. While it may appear as standard for the price range, it does have a distinct advantage over competitors. Many budget welders only have a high-low switch for heat. This model does feature that, along with another switch for even better control over each heat range. It might not be a dial control, but it is the next best thing. Furthermore, it has 10 levels of wire speed control. These settings allow one to fine-tune the system, so it works for them. As a portable design, it features a top-mounted handle and a rugged steel housing. It does weigh in at about 35 pounds, but this is still pretty light for a MIG welder. It does come with accessories, but you can probably skip them. The chipping hammer and welding wire aren't the best, in terms of quality. And finally at number 1, Weld Pro MIG 155D. This is an entry that takes us by surprise. That's because it combines 3 different machines into one unit without attaching itself to a premium price point. Not only that, the MIG welder function even has a distinct advantage over other budget-friendly listings. The MIG gives you the ability to remove the torch and replace it with a spool gun. We would expect this to be done away with, considering the price point, but it is not. The spool gun isn't included, but that's acceptable and pretty standard for any MIG that offers this feature. Along with MIG welding, this unit can be used for stick welding right out of the box. If that isn't enough, you can convert it to run as a TIG too. While it is convenient, it's not a professional level tool. Hobbyists will love it, but professionals should invest in something of a little higher quality. Thank you for watching guys, I hope like you this videos. If this video helpful to you, please make comments and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.